Hi guys, these are my Christmas lights and I noticed that few of the LEDs are dim. These lights are split into three sections or three circuits. This is section 1, this is section 2 and this is section 3. In the third section, you can see that all the LEDs are dim. Along with LEDs, we also have resistors in the circuit. There are 1, 2, 3 and 4 resistors within each circuit. One of the resistors in section 3 is defective. So I'll be measuring the resistance across these 4 resistors. To start with, let me pick one resistor from the good section and check what the resistance is. Let's start with this one. We'll remove the LEDs adjacent to the resistor and check the resistance across this terminal and this terminal. So we'll touch the multimeter to this terminal on this side and similarly on this side. I'm measuring the resistance across the good resistor and it's showing about 0.733 kilo ohms, which is 730 ohms. Let's check the 4 resistors in the bad circuit. I'm pretty sure one of them is going to be a lot more than 730 ohms. This one shows 0.73 kilo, 0.730 kilo ohms. So that's 730 ohms. Let's check the resistance of the next resistor. This is the defective resistor. It shows 0.725 mega ohms, which is 725,000 ohms. Let's mark this as the bad resistor, which we need to change. For the second method, you can use a wire like this to bypass the resistor and check the LED brightness in the bad circuit. The LEDs are still dim, so it must not be this resistor. When bypassing this resistor, all of the LEDs are glowing properly, similar to the other sections. So that means it is just this resistor that's a problem and all the other resistors are fine. So to fix this problem, the best solution will be to replace the resistor with a 720 ohm resistor. But based on the calculation that we did for the current, an acceptable solution can be to replace the resistor with a piece of wire, which is what I've done here. I snipped off the resistor and I soldered a wire, and now all of the LEDs are glowing brightly. Now we don't see any dim LEDs in these Christmas lights. I have wrapped a white insulation tape over the wire that I soldered, so these Christmas lights are as good as new. I hope you enjoyed this video and it helps you fix your Christmas lights issue. Thank you for watching.